ever take something and I play Bobby Bogle. All this microphone man, this could get in the leaves. So the different type of show was proved, right? Sneaky man, birds. Those who name it. Was all hanging in the dawn. And
Power plays, we back. And we jamming. Cause we keep you lifted if you following the charts. If you following the chart, we definitely keep you lifted, you know. You know? So let's see what's on the chart. Alright, so yesterday, this was our chart yesterday. We saved breakout long above 680.55, entry around 680.55. I put the wrong. I should say 680.55 right there too. But I stopped below 680. So I got a typo, but oh man, look at that typo. It's ugly. But anyway, we're gonna look at 680, target 681, 682, 683, 70. And so let's take a look at the spot from yesterday and see what we got going on. Alright. Yesterday. This is morning right now. Yesterday, spot opened today. It created this low right here today. It didn't go back to the pre-market low. But it created this low here at 678.73. And it went up. It went all the way up. Okay. So once it broke 680.55, right there, you could have came in here. But a lot of traders, what they do is this is the first go round, they look for a rejection. But if you would have played out the break right there and got in, you would have went to that first level. It's on the chart. Hold on, let me show that chart. Roll that beautiful beam footage. You would have made it to the first level. And then there was a pullback from there and the resistance side, and it came back down to 678.79. So let's look at here. Well, we said that we had some resistance on the rejection on the put side that it could come back down to the first level 679.50. So we got some rejection got here in our area we was talking about, but then we get back down there and we got some rejection. So it did actually go back into this area. Now I'm not saying you should have played it, but a lot of traders what they would have done when they saw this strong rejection here and then this next red candle, they see some more, these wicks at the top. A lot of traders would have traded, especially when it broke back below this pre-market high right here, and it started to come back down. But it came back down into the previous day's low. And so what happens is it bounced off that, but then it came back up to that zone again. So you could have realistically played that back up to there too. Then a brief pull back to the pre-market high, pre-market low, and then we ran up. And we got all the way to 682.99. So if we look at the chart, you could have played it up, and we got there, and that'd have been a pretty good day for you. So what a day! What a day! Could have took you some time, but you definitely should have. Could have been able to play it if you would have played our chart. Now, if you played your own chart, because this is not financial advice, then you did well. Good job. All right, so let's look at what we have here for today. All right, this is our chart for today. So we're gonna look at. If spot can break and hold above 682.42, I'm gonna look for a long entry around 682.50, 682.80, and with my stop gonna go right there at 681.9 and target 683.60, 684.75, and 686.10. And that'll be just based on continuation. I'll be waiting on a strong close above the 5 on my chart because that's what I trade off of. But if you got the 15 an hour, you're looking for a strong close with some volume, man. Don't just jump off in that stuff without no volume. Um, and it was spot pushing toward the pre-market high and fails. I take the rejection short around 682.20 to 682.50. With my stop above 682.80 with target 681.30, 680.60, 679.75. And this is what we'll see if we see some breakouts that fail. That's if you see some real strong and then you see some strong rejection. Um, and then what I'll be waiting on is confirmation inside that 680.40 to 682.50 range. And I want a good close on that 5 minute, a strong close with my stop losses. Keep them real tight. Trying to scale out a little bit at a time here, 20, 25%, 30% at a time. And then, play up to the levels because we mostly be trading options. And but that's my spy trade plan for the day, Tuesday, December the 2nd. But we're gonna try to be bullish if it's above 682.42 and bearish below 680.44. And in between that, we're gonna consider that the chop zone where you have to be careful when you're buying that. Now, that's our video for today. Now, if you feel like anything that we share with you helps you get prepared, then please by all means like, share, subscribe. And if you want to join us, come over to the Discord and join us here at Power Plays, and we'll be more than happy for you to join. Um, and so, you know, this is not financial advice, but if it helps you, good job. If not, then hey man, I'm sorry everybody, but none of this is 100% perfect. This is based off the way I like to trade, and so this is what my levels come from. But if you like what you see and if it's helping you, hey man, subscribe to the channel, man, share it. And if you want to, come over here and join us at Discord at Power Plays, man. We'll have a good time with us. All right. In the meantime, y'all have a nice day. Let y'all listen to my man Bloodstone a little bit more.
With me, Iggy Kicking Pekin, like it's supposed to be.
Uh-oh. We not doing none of that. So, like I said, man, it was a beautiful day. And y'all enjoy yourselves.